your family is living with a rare disease, it can feel like you're navigating everything alone. Appointments, research articles, decisions about care, questions about the future, but you're not alone. Behind many clinical trials are patient advocacy groups working to make research better, safer, and more centered on families just like yours. Today, we want to share why these groups matter and how families help move the research forward. So what are patient advocacy groups? These organizations bring together patients, caregivers, clinicians, and researchers around a shared condition or community. They support families, educate the community, shape and fund research, and make sure that patients and caregiver voices are heard. In clinical trials, they serve as a bridge, connecting families with researchers and sponsors. Clinical trials are essential for developing new treatments, but they work best when they reflect real patient needs. Advocacy groups help ensure trials are feasible for families, ethically designed, and focus on outcomes that truly matter. Their involvement helps prevent trials from overlooking real-world challenges or placing unnecessary burdens on families. They offer clear, trustworthy education, plain language explanations, emotional support, and guidance on what to ask your research teams. Many also help with logistics, resources, and peer connections, so families can feel informed, empowered, and know that they're not alone. Advocacy groups strengthen the science by advising on study design, helping define meaningful endpoints, support recruitment, and sharing lived experience insights that data alone cannot capture. When they're involved early, trials are more likely to succeed. You don't need to be a scientist to make an impact. Families help by sharing lived experiences, participating in surveys or focus groups, serving on advisory boards, reviewing consent forms and study summaries, and sharing information responsibly. Every single voice adds value. In rare conditions, every family's involvement can help shape the future. Advocacy groups unite scattered communities and preserve that knowledge, pushing for research that reflects quality of life, caregiver impact, and long-term outcomes. Your experience might help families that you'll never meet and children who haven't even been diagnosed yet. Advocacy groups remind us that clinical trials are about people, not just treatments. They ensure that families are heard, respected, supported, and empowered. If you've ever wondered whether your voice matters, the answer is yes. Your lived experience helps turn progress into hope and hope into action.